In an age where consumers are increasingly drawn toward authenticity, function, and sustainability, the wooden bathroom sink stand has quietly emerged as a powerful emblem of modern design thinking. For the passionate woodworker, this humble piece of furniture is far more than a utility. It is a canvas for storytelling, a monument to craftsmanship, and a channel for sustainable and profitable expression. What once may have been seen as a purely functional element in bathroom design has now become an opportunity for artisans to shape the visual and emotional language of interior spaces, merging rustic warmth with contemporary style. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden bathroom sink stands design ideas for today's modern woodworking landscape. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The wooden sink stand, when created with intention and skill, reflects not only the grain and strength of the wood, but also the personal narrative of the maker. Every angle, joint, and finish speaks to a value system grounded in care, simplicity, and a return to natural materials. These stands invite touch. They carry the warmth of the forest into the bathroom, spaces that have traditionally leaned cold and clinical. They bridge the organic with the modern, offering a rare combination of soul and structure. For a woodworker, the path to building wooden sink stands is not just a matter of assembling raw materials. It's a process of making decisions that resonate with the core values of today's conscious consumer. In a market dominated by mass-produced, synthetic bathroom fixtures, there is something deeply appealing about a handcrafted wooden sink base that bears the marks of its maker, the subtle imperfections that whisper authenticity. These stands do not shout. They speak softly of resilience, craftsmanship, and intention. They become centerpieces that transform the entire atmosphere of the bathroom, elevating it from a sterile utility to a sanctuary of natural design. The sustainability angle is crucial. Using responsibly sourced timber, reclaimed wood, or salvaged materials not only reduces waste, but also tells a compelling ecological story that customers connect with. This connection is what translates admiration into sales. People don't just want furniture anymore. They want meaning, origin, and a piece that reflects their own commitment to sustainability and beauty. As profitability goes, wooden bathroom sink stands offer a rare blend of high demand and artistic freedom. Unlike highly saturated product categories, these pieces sit at the intersection of necessity and design luxury. They can be customized to fit small urban apartments or expansive eco-lodges, rustic cabins, or sleek minimalist homes. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility is vast, and with the right finishing and branding, they can be priced as premium decor essentials. A well-crafted sink stand made from reclaimed oak or walnut with sealed finishes for moisture resistance can easily command hundreds, sometimes thousands, of dollars on the modern market, particularly when marketed to niche audiences such as eco-conscious homeowners, boutique hoteliers, or interior designers. What's more, they are projects that scale well. A solo craftsman can build one at a time with care and detail, or create a small batch production system without losing the handmade appeal that defines their market value. This balance of scale, sustainability, and emotional appeal is what makes the wooden bathroom sink stand such a potent opportunity. It allows the woodworker to thrive not just financially, but artistically. It challenges them to innovate, to engineer water-resistant joinery, to design compact structures with maximum storage, to experiment with finishings that protect while highlighting the natural character of the wood. Each build becomes a lesson, a refinement of skill, and a step forward in the maker's journey. There's also an undeniable personal satisfaction in watching something so often overlooked, the bathroom vanity, become a statement piece in someone's home. Knowing that a client starts and ends their day brushing their teeth, washing their hands, and looking into the mirror with a wooden creation beneath them, built by your hands, is a feeling that runs deep. It is a craft rooted in care. Marketing these sink stands becomes part of the artistry. Each product tells a story, where the wood came from, why the design was chosen, what sets it apart. And in the age of social media and short-form video, showcasing the process, from sketch to saw, sanding to sealing, offers not just content but connection. Viewers become emotionally invested in the maker's journey. They want to follow the transformation of raw material into refined beauty. They want to own a piece of that story. A smart woodworker understands this and uses storytelling as part of the product itself, giving names to collections, offering limited edition pieces, or even collaborating with clients to bring their custom ideas to life. These strategies elevate the product beyond a piece of furniture. They make it art. And art sells, especially when it is useful. In essence, the wooden bathroom sink stand symbolizes a confluence of everything that modern woodworking stands for: sustainability, craftsmanship, creativity, and a meaningful connection to the material. It is a small canvas with big impact. For beginners, it can be a bold first project that combines joinery, design, and utility. For seasoned woodworkers, it's a challenge to elevate their craft while responding to market demand. And for customers, it is a piece that transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary, a functional sculpture that enriches their daily rituals. The financial return is a welcome bonus, but the emotional and creative rewards are just as significant. A well-executed sink stand can bring repeat clients, strong word of mouth, and viral attention online. In the long run, what starts as a single handcrafted piece in a quiet workshop has the potential to become the signature product of a thriving woodworking brand. So, when a woodworker chooses to build a bathroom sink stand, they are not merely making furniture. They are participating in a movement, a shift back to quality, to intentional living, to spaces that reflect who we are and how we want to live. They're embracing the challenges of design, material sourcing, and customer expectation not as obstacles, but as opportunities. They are planting their roots in a growing industry that values the handmade, the sustainable, and the emotionally resonant. The wooden sink stand is not just a product. It is a promise, a statement that beauty, utility, and responsibility can coexist, and that profit need not come at the cost of the soul. And in every board cut, every joint assembled, every drop of oil rubbed into the grain, that promise is fulfilled one bathroom at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden bathroom sink stands design ideas for today's modern woodworking landscape. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.